Okay, we're starting. Today we are looking at older builds or newer builds. Today we're looking at builds of what do you do? Mustangs.
Say the word build again.
On YouTube. YouTube, this platform that you're watching this on right now. This is a picture of Dan's new car for an update video that he's doing in the future. Mustang build. We're just going to do straight Mustang.
Oh, shit.
Bless you.
I'm actually extremely sick. I have Ebola.
The Mustang.
What is this? This looks sus. You know your video's good when you have to put an intro at the beginning.
Midnight Motor Builds. Alright, homeboy, what you got? Oh, this is old.
Hey everybody,
What's up?
I'm Ryan, and this is my 1968.
Oh, we can't say nothing about this.
Yeah, no, that's it. He's putting in the time, the effort, the grind.
I've always wanted to build a Gen 1 Mustang.
Good looking at it though. Bro's got the cores.
Yeah, he's literally me.
And it was just paid about $2,000 for the husk and brought it home. Done a lot of
Damn,
work on it
$2,000?
already in terms
I mean, he's
of,
got to do like
taking it apart,
fucking
finding out
easily.
what's wrong with it, seeing
What is that? 500 hours of work, probably.
we did
Maybe
discover
even
that
1,200 hours of work. Depends on where he wants to get to. But
that it was actually 1987.
I mean, shit, that's a better use of your time than like gaming for 1,200 hours. Some motherfuckers be doing that. Dude, he's got cooler projects than we do, but he doesn't have the knowledge to make a video about it. Like he's almost there, but he needs to like probably get a microphone. Is what I would have did, and maybe make a thumbnail and a title.
Mm-hmm.
But I feel like with car videos, you don't have to go like super crazy. Like some of these guys be like fucking yelling, and they look like Mr. Beast talking about some fucking cheap ass car, and it's like, dude.
This is my 2002 Saturn SL1. What the fuck is this?
That looks like some AI garbage.
Abandoned 1967 Mustang reborn as a blacked out beast. Full restoration documentary.
This is AI slop.
Whoa, check this out. Fastback, completely rusted. The corrosion is incredible. This is a real find. This is history.
This.
Dude, that logo looks so shit.
Oh, it straight up runs.
Oh, it straight up
It
flies
straight up
there.
floats.
What in the AI slop?
This is AI.
Why was the motor crooked?
But are they Indian?
One of them's kind of native looking.
It's flying again.
And it's
What the
backing itself
fuck?
off the trailer. Oh yeah.
This thing is mint. If I found this thing in the forest, I'd be. The truck's driving
The
backwards.
engine's sideways,
The truck's
bro.
driving backwards.
Bruh. Now it's part of.
No,
the
he's
process.
driving. He's driving the motherfucking car. You see that? Look at this.
Yeah, that's heat.
Watch this.
Wait.
Flips around.
Oh my god, that's heat
Double-sided
AI. Oh,
car.
and then it lands.
Double-sided car.
They unload the
Ford.
trailer. Ford.
Camera?
What the fuck?
Oh no, it's leaking oil.
Oh,
That's a lot of oil.
diagnosis. It's a Ford. Send it to the junkyard.
Oh, that shit got straight fucking liquid metal from
Okay, sequence is
Terminator
disconnect, drain,
2.
detach mounts, then chain it. Check for corrosion. Chains are on. Lift
Check
the
for
balance.
corrosion.
Right, lift
Where's it
down.
at?
Oh, they're just gonna do basic maintenance to the Mustang. Oh, never mind. They're taking the engine out. I thought they were just gonna give it an oil change, and then all of a sudden it was gonna roll out with a fucking new paint job.
Yeah, the
and-
new paint job. What the fucking kind of oil color is this?
I don't even know.
Bro, I
dude.
got the berry juice on that shit.
I think it's supposed to be like painted engines where some people.
Oh, that's
have, like, painted
stripped.
blocks. I don't know.
That's fucked up.
Oh, dude.
That oil flows.
Why
pretty
is
well.
it flat, dude? Wait, it's a VR6 now. It
Okay.
somehow no. Look, it changed. No, that'd be a VR8. So no, a VR8. Look up a VR8. I don't think it exists, but a VR6 is a better. Oh, I guess it does exist. So they're all at the top end. They're all flat.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, pretty much. But that's a VR5. But like they're all top end flat with each other, pretty much, or really close to being flat with each other. Yeah, there we go. That's a VR6.
They found the rarest Mustang ever.
Yeah, with the VR8.
Check
Like,
that out. That's
Dude,
crazy.
that's crazy. He's using it like a screwdriver,
New
but yet it's
tech.
working like a socket. We should make that. What the fuck? No, now it's a VR6. Oh shit. What the
Bro's
fuck
in the fucking lab.
He's in the infirmary, bro. He's in the infirmary, bro. Dr. House, I need you to diagnose this patient.
This looks fucked up.
Just give him an oil change. That's a piston, but I don't know. And I think that's supposed to be...
It's 4. The car's 4.
I think that was supposed to be a digital micrometer, but I don't...
Who is that? Who is that?
Who is that,
Bro got the fucking Harry Potter cloak on. Working on the motherfucking car.
I'd like to see the newest, what is it called? Sea-Dance 2. I'd like to see that make this, because that's a better, what would you say, like, generative AI than this.
Right.
That just came out. I wonder if it could do it. And what the fuck am I looking at? I don't even know what that could be.
What did bro put together?
It's the device.
The bike chain.
Dude, this shit's actually like some pure slop.
Who watching it?
What what the fuck?
Dude,
that is
that is the
Wait, they just put the
tool.
injectors. I think those were supposed to be injectors? Spark plugs, sorry. Spark plugs in the front. Another spark plug. All the spark plugs. Another spark plug.
Oh. You
Spark plug with the tip. He's spawning in wire. Is that a fuel system? Oh, he's just pouring oil on it. Yep. The belt. And look at it doesn't even make sense.
What? That's genius.
Yeah, that'll work for a million years. Oh, now it's starting to look more like a V engine again. But it's a V. No, that's a V8.
All right,
okay, now it's back to being a V, but the belt goes all the way around the motor. That's really ingenious, actually. Why did I think
Dude,
of
they
that?
straight up fixed the paint.
Oh yeah, yes, because that's how that goes together. Yep.
Oh, it's invisible cloak again. Harry Potter working on the motherfucking car.
Yeah. So that's how you install a battery.
Whoa, that is futuristic.
That's really
Bro's rocking the
futuristic.
brand new Challenger. Right?
Yeah, something. Oh, it has a fuel filter like that. Okay, it's clear, so you really know what's going in there. And the key is in the. Okay. You really can't.
Low spot.
Oh, now they're going back to the body. Now they're like, oh yeah, it's actually dented up.
Looks pretty even to me.
And they're painting over the chrome peak with the door handles installed too.
It's got auto chrome detection in it.
It just knows not to paint the chrome.
Bro's painting the windshield.
Yeah, not even wrapped. Oh, clear coat, I guess. Clear coat, or no, because now they're painting it red.
Oh, you see that? That's the fucking...
the flood is coming.
That's the Shining.
Holy shit.
That's not a fucking
It's got a
Mustang.
Canadian
Yeah.
on it. It's Canadian. It went Canadian for a second. And it went to a Mark II Mustang. It got transformed into a Mark II Mustang. Look at that. The fuel tank, that looks really good for a fuel tank, actually. And yeah, just install it on the lift. That's where they're supposed to go.
Yeah, drop the lift right on the fuel tank.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Oh, the brake pads. That's not where they go. Bro thinks he's doing drums, but he's actually doing disc. And now they're all coming together like...
This is the Avengers.
I am
Wait, there's
a
two
mechanic.
cars. We got 2 cars. That's why they were reinstalling the headlights. They had 2 of them. They were finding...
It's high versus low. And the key...
Start that bitch.
Yep, start it for real this time. Oh, and
They're all in suits now.
they all got really rich after this video.
That looks amazing.
It's so quiet you can only hear the wind.
Driving off into the sunset. Beautiful.
That was the dumbest video I've ever seen.
Let's react to more. The Veyron underwater. Wait, which 80 years packed under ice? The Packard, the Veyron, or the Kenworth? I want to see the Veyron underwater.
The Veyron, yeah.
Where do they find this one?
Dude, they found this one right off the edge of Dubai. Also, that's not a Veyron. That's literally a Chiron. Trust me, I would know. I own a Bugatti.
They must have got that wrong. From dusty to pristine. That looks pretty dusty to me.
I think that bitch got crustaceans growing underneath it. What is he checking? The pressure? He's checking the tire pressure, bro?
Gonna drive out the sea.
Dude, watch. It's gonna do some bullshit again. It's just gonna have like, rocket jets come underneath it. It's gonna fly away. There's just holes everywhere now.
Dude, they're gonna take away these fish's homes. Can you even restore this?
No.
Look at this.
No.
Oh,
And now they're just gonna fucking
It's
spawn
floating.
it. It's gonna just...
this is like Transformers.
True. It's Megatron getting his spark back. He's putting a giant bag underneath it, I imagine. No, I don't know.
No, they're
He's
just
doing.
gonna tug it out.
There it is.
There it is.
Steady signal.
Okay, keep watching it.
We're watching it.
Surface, this is Echo 1. We have positive ID on the target. Copy that. Echo 1. Confirming coordinates.
Wow. Okay. We're ready to tug it out. Tightening it up. Fastening the chains. Rescue team. Alright. Straight through the windshield. That's the best place to grab it. Fasten it.
Yeah. Dude, what is with the fucking
Right on the front
exploding
bumper?
barnacles?
What is the fucking SpongeBob?
What?
SpongeBob. He's really got water.
The water underwater.
Oh, he's got water underwater. Ready to pull it up? Okay.
Oh.
Fasten it. Oh, we're
And
driving.
they're just driving it.
We're driving it out this bitch.
Dude, this is so corny as fuck.
This is awesome.
We should do this.
We
Whose
should
car are we submerging underwater, though, and then pretending it's
make the
broken?
Lexus
The Lexus.
LS400.
True.
We should do it with the Sonata.
Clear of the surface.
Alright, we got it.
Hold
Oh,
it
now it's
steady
black
there.
again.
Keep the tension.
You couldn't see it because it was underwater.
Yeah, clearly. How does it get all the way out here? Did someone drive it off the dock in GTA?
Clearly. Where's the skeleton that's paired with this thing?
State of this thing.
Oh, it lost a wheel on the way there. You see that?
True.
The
Let's get
lifting
it onto
point.
the flatbed quickly.
Quickly. This is they need the whole
Alright,
rescue
take the
team. We need to get this back. Oh, they got the wheel. They must have had to take them off.
Clearly. Oh, and then they just disintegrated.
No, look at that one.
Alright, easy
It's got cauliflower
Dude,
growing out the
This
side.
is actually just like audience retention
Is that
form.
real at Chiron?
Chiron.
Chiron.
I can't believe it. Look at the rust. Oh! How did this even happen?
That's what I'm
Hold it
saying.
steady right there.
Dude, Bro's mechanic in GTA be like,
You need to call Moore's Mutual. They'll fix it up for you. What the,
what the fuck
This
is
car's busted.
Hold it, hold it.
Dude, that car
Watch
is
the alignment on
alive.
this dolly.
That
I
shit
see
is
it.
possessed.
That's the
You know what? This scene, that last scene didn't look half bad. This looks retarded though. I don't know what just happened there.
What is she doing?
Breaking the fucking axle nut loose. Oh, that is what a differential looks like. That's a steering rack. What am I looking at?
What this fucking
The Bugatti
slime?
doesn't even have a fucking engine in the front. It's in the rear. He just be putting pliers on everything. Oh,
Whoa!
they're already painting it.
Straight to the paint job.
No, now it's brown. They
It's still
made it
still got
fucking
shit
brown.
all over it.
Oh yeah. Now it's black. Okay, cool. Glad to know that we just went from the brown to
Oh, those
black.
taillights are mint now.
Yep. They fixed the whole thing.
Whoa!
That doesn't even go there. That goes in the rear.
What the fucking kind of shit is this?
I don't even know what that is. I don't even.
Just fixing it up. No, this is what the engine looks like.
Totally. It looks like a Ferrari motor with 2 turbos on it. Oh,
Just set it down.
Oh yeah, just set the whole motor in there. There you go.
Women empowerment, this is.
Oh, it's
No
fucking
way it
smoky.
starts. That should look like your car earlier.
Shut up.
Should have
My
smoked
car's
for way
perfectly
longer.
fine. Wow.
Oh, that
My
is
brain feels
peak.
hella rotted.
That is peak. Oh, they're walking. They're at walking speeds with the car.
True, they're walking.
That shit
around
is
it.
not moving, bro.
That was it. Wow.
Mustang Black Edition. Yeah, what's this one?
Here is the money we agreed on.
Thank you.
Full restoration. This thing looks mint already. What the fuck?
Here is the money we agreed on.
Thank you. It's how those go.
Oh, that thing got fucked up on the way back. Whoa, that guy is strong.
What device is that?
Oh, he did it so long grass grew.
Sure.
Ew.
It just says 2020 Mustang on the side. It just says that.
Oh, he just peeled it
Oh
off.
no. The car's just fucking. It has super cancer.
That is fucking sand rust, bruh.
What the fucking rot?
What the fucking kind of What the fucking kind of
Seriously,
jack is
what kind of prompt do you need to make this?
Lifting up Ford Mustang with a jack.
And the
Look at the self-lifting jacks. Oh, wait, what just fell? Look at that.
jacks ain't even on there, man.
Fucking tools.
All the tools just falling on the ground.
Perfect up to take them off.
And it says Ford Mustang on it.
Uncent. It's not even centered.
It says Mustang underneath it. Oh, it doesn't even have a steering wheel.
Detail it till the cracks are gone.
What? Oh, and dude, the fucking detail rag just got obliterated. It got Thanos out of the world.
Whoa!
Holy shit!
What the fucking kind of? What is that?
It's supposed to be a vent, I think.
Well, bro, just put one on.
And then look at this. He erases it.
Oh shit! That's the magic rag.
Everything's just rusty. It's growing grass in there. How is it growing grass in there?
What?
Oh, yep. Because that's how you do that.
Lift that shit up. Oh! Explosion. Grass explosion.
Oh yeah, that's how you pull an engine right there.
With your bare hands. In a fucking crane.
Dude, the crane's got wheels on it. And now the crane's attached to the car.
He's about to just lift this shit with
They
his
should have
hands.
built like a skyscraper.
Oh, he must have fixed up the...
He's got 2 Mustangs?
The 2-in-1 socket wrench? The 3-in-1?
Because that's what a fuel tank looks like. Hell yeah.
How do you even let it get this rusty after 6 years?
I don't even know.
Just running the engine under the car. I think. He's got his pal helping him out.
I don't know what this is supposed to be. So that's supposed to be the
Oh,
transmission.
he's checking it for light damage.
Wait, this is his other car. This isn't the Mustang anymore. The new one. See, this is the old one now. You wouldn't... Bruh. He's using a detail brush on the fucking...
Oh, he's
dual wielding
dual
pressure
wielding.
washers.
Dude, that's lit.
That's what I would have did. And now he's I'm not even gonna try to guess what he's
It's a
doing.
paper method.
Dude, I'm gonna do this in my next video.
All of this.
All of this, every single
What
whatever
he's
he's
doing
doing,
right now.
recreating AI slop in real life. Oh, and now he's just coming all over it. Oh, it's
Pressure
blue,
washer.
and now it's blue. He's turning it blue.
You can hear the triumphant music. That means he won. Oh, never mind. We're back to
Doing
something.
this, we're back to whatever this is.
New grill.
New paint too.
Silver now.
Oh, and
Paint the grill.
now the grill doesn't exist. Oh, and now it's rear engine. He did a rear engine swap. Yep, that's what I would have did. Oh,
What's he
and
doing
it's
with them fucking 3 fingers up there?
the bumper slowly? What?
That shit looks peak. No way he actually did that. Okay.
He
First person.
completely changed cars. That is not what the inside of one of those looks
No,
like.
he swapped it.
Oh yeah, he modded it. Dude, this is just garbage.
Yeah, AI evil girlfriend learns a lesson. We need like a dominant video. Girl transmigrates into a peasant, wakes up getting beaten, then unlocks mind control just in time. This is 2 hours. This is not AI, is it?
Is that live action Initial D? What the fuck?
Wait, this is a real movie.
This is one of those TikTok movies, I think.
Hey, this wound, it's okay. 4K. A squint-eyed old lady can't stand the thugs in the tavern. She stands up and kicks 3 thugs flying. It takes an hour for her to do that? Wait, I want to see this. What the fucking shit? This guy looks like he got his tattoo at the fucking ice cream parlor. I'm done watching that, are you?
Yeah, that shit's slop. Oh, no, we gotta watch that one. No.
Abandoning Spider Thomas train.
What the fuck?
He's covered in fucking nut. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to be looking at. I don't know what trains are made of.
Yeah, me either. I really don't understand what this is.
Alright. Sorry you guys had to see that.
Yeah, this is a terrible video.